What if I told you that hidden inside a General Motors transmission, buried deep within a part most people never even think about, sat a piece of engineering so clever that most mechanics today have completely forgotten it ever existed? This part wasn't loud, it wasn't flashy, and it never appeared on any advertisement poster. Yet it secretly gave certain General Motors cars the ability to change their own personality at the flip of a switch, transforming instantly from smooth, relaxed cruisers into aggressive, quick launching machines, all without the driver ever touching the gear shifter. Most people who owned these cars had absolutely no idea this hidden feature was sitting right there, working quietly behind the scenes. Today, we are revealing the true story of this forgotten piece of General Motors engineering. If you love uncovering hidden secrets behind classic American cars like this one, make sure to subscribe to our channel right now so you never miss another story like it. To understand this story, we first need to travel back to the 1960s, a time when automatic transmissions were becoming increasingly popular across America. More and more drivers wanted the comfort and convenience of not having to manually shift gears themselves, especially in larger, heavier family cars and luxury vehicles. However, automatic transmissions of this era faced a real engineering challenge. A part inside every automatic transmission, called the torque converter, was responsible for transferring power from the engine to the transmission itself. Unlike a manual clutch, a torque converter used fluid to transfer this power, and inside it sat a component called the starter, which helped control how efficiently that power was transferred. The problem engineers faced was this: a torque converter tuned for quick, powerful acceleration from a complete stop often performed poorly during smooth, relaxed highway cruising, wasting fuel and creating unnecessary heat. On the other hand, a torque converter tuned purely for smooth, efficient highway cruising often felt sluggish and weak when a driver needed quick acceleration, like merging onto a busy highway or pulling away quickly from a stoplight. Engineers were essentially forced to pick one strength while accepting a weakness somewhere else, and this frustrated General Motors engineers who wanted their cars to genuinely excel in both situations. Rather than settling for this compromise, General Motors engineers developed something remarkably clever that came to be known as the switch-pitch torque converter. This special design first appeared on GM's Dynaflow transmissions back in the 1950s, and it was later refined further and used inside GM's advanced turbo Hydra-matic 400 transmission during the mid-1960s. The genius behind this design was a stator with vanes, similar to small fan blades, that could actually change their angle while the car was moving, all controlled through a hydraulic system triggered by an electrical switch. When the vanes were set at one angle, the torque converter behaved in a relaxed, efficient manner, perfect for smooth highway cruising. But the moment the driver pressed hard on the accelerator pedal, demanding quick acceleration, a switch connected to the throttle linkage would instantly trigger the hydraulic system, changing the angle of those vanes almost immediately. This vane angle change effectively altered what engineers call the stall speed of the torque converter, sometimes shifting it by as much as 1,000 revolutions per minute, all happening automatically while the car was already in motion. In simple terms, this was similar to secretly changing the car's rear axle gear ratio on the fly, giving the driver dramatically improved acceleration exactly when they needed it, without ever requiring any manual input beyond simply pressing the gas pedal harder. This remarkable system was primarily used across several of General Motors' larger, heavier vehicles, particularly from Buick, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, and even some Cadillac models. These were often big, comfortable family cars and luxury vehicles that needed to feel smooth and relaxed during everyday cruising, but many drivers still wanted genuine power available whenever they demanded it. In many of these vehicles, the system worked using two separate switches connected to the carburetor's throttle linkage. One switch would activate a high stall setting, specifically when the driver's foot was completely off the accelerator pedal, useful for extremely smooth idling and low-speed maneuvering. The other switch would activate under wide-open throttle conditions, exactly when a driver floored the gas pedal for maximum acceleration, instantly adjusting the torque converter to deliver the strongest possible launch performance. This meant a large, comfortable Buick or Oldsmobile could feel wonderfully smooth and relaxed during normal, everyday driving, yet still deliver a genuinely exciting, powerful launch whenever the driver wanted to accelerate hard. Almost as if the car secretly had two completely different personalities hidden inside the exact same transmission. Despite how genuinely clever this system was, the switch-pitch torque converter eventually disappeared from General Motors' lineup after 1967. The primary reason behind this had nothing to do with performance or reliability. Instead, it came down to simple manufacturing cost. Building a torque converter with vanes that could actually change their angle while in motion required significantly more complex engineering and more expensive manufacturing processes compared to a standard fixed vane torque converter. As General Motors continued searching for ways to reduce production costs across their vehicle lineup, this relatively expensive and complex feature became an easy target for elimination, especially since most everyday drivers never fully understood or even noticed this hidden feature was there in the first place. Once this feature was removed from production, it quietly faded from public memory almost entirely. Because it never received significant advertising attention, and because most drivers simply experienced it as their car feeling smooth and responsive without ever understanding exactly why, this remarkable piece of engineering slipped away into automotive history, largely forgotten by everyone except dedicated mechanics and passionate collectors. Today, decades later, this switch-pitch torque converter has become a fascinating piece of history among serious classic car collectors and dedicated GM enthusiasts. Because these units are relatively rare and were only produced for a limited number of years, finding an original functioning switch-pitch transmission has become something of a treasure hunt for collectors who genuinely appreciate clever, forgotten engineering solutions. Some passionate hobbyists and specialty transmission shops have even begun exploring ways to restore, rebuild, and properly understand these complex units, appreciating them not just for their rarity, but for the genuine engineering brilliance behind their design. In many ways, this system was decades ahead of its time, using a fundamentally similar concept to what modern computer-controlled transmissions accomplish today, just achieved through clever mechanical and hydraulic engineering rather than electronic computer control. This makes the switch-pitch torque converter a genuinely remarkable example of how automotive engineers, even many decades ago, were already thinking creatively about solving complex problems using purely mechanical solutions, well before modern computer technology made such adaptive systems far easier and more common to implement. This story teaches us something valuable that extends far beyond just transmissions and torque converters. It reminds us that some of the most impressive engineering achievements throughout history often go completely unnoticed by the general public, quietly doing their job in the background without ever receiving the recognition or attention they truly deserved. General Motors engineers solved a genuinely difficult problem using remarkably creative thinking, giving drivers the best of both worlds, smooth efficiency and powerful acceleration, all from a single, cleverly designed part. Yet because this solution worked so seamlessly and quietly, most people never even realized it was there. And eventually, it faded from memory almost entirely, remembered today by only a small, dedicated group of enthusiasts who understand its true significance. It reminds us that genuine innovation doesn't always announce itself loudly. Sometimes the smartest solutions work so smoothly and quietly that people simply take them for granted, never fully appreciating the incredible engineering happening right beneath the surface. We hope you enjoyed uncovering this forgotten piece of General Motors history today. If you want us to bring you more incredible true stories about hidden and forgotten automotive engineering secrets, let us know in the comments which one you would like us to cover next. See you in the next video and take care until then.